Are we ready?
Yeah.
What do we need to do?
Sit up there.
Put on the candle.
Sit down.
Okay.
Well, wait a minute.
Yeah, you can do it.
Yeah.
Aunt Erin,
I
light
make it a little
candle.
strong, so that's why I like it. But
You need something to make you strong.
I'll be up till midnight. You want black?
Okay.
Okay, we ready?
Yeah, I guess. I'll get it.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maggie. Happy birthday to you.
And there's two.
Blow 'em.
Blow! Blow hard. Come on, spit more on it. There you go.
Yay!
Wait a minute.
They're hot.
Be careful. Don't throw them on the tablecloth because it'll melt it.
Here you go. Come on, pass that
Yeah,
on.
don't lay them on the tablecloth.
I'll come and get
Here.
it, Nate.
Here, give them to Mama. Put it in Mama's hand.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job, Meg.
Yummy.
Yummy. Kayla, give it to